The communication challenge facing Africa is limited and expensive bandwidth. A group of visionaries at Main Street Technologies came together to find a solution, and so MainOne was born. These innovative and experienced professionals analyzed the current situation and chose a solution that would deliver greater capacity and more stable access at an affordable price. The MainOne submarine cable.
MainOne is going to change things as we know it down the west coast of Africa. Clearly, up until now, you've only had one other cable called SAT3, but it's a very low bandwidth system. It's at its maximum capacity.
We needed to have a backbone. The one we had was a back, but it was not that bony, maybe a back flesh, SAT3. We need to have a strong backbone to fully support the entire communication infrastructure.
We entered the market in 2010 as a submarine cable provider, and we had built a private submarine cable running from Europe down the coast of West Africa to Nigeria and Ghana. We've targeted enterprises and government agencies all across West Africa. We've expanded our geographic reach, and today we have more than 500 blue chip customers on our network. What we've seen over the past year is a reduction in prices and more access and deployment of broadband distribution networks. We've deployed several hundred kilometers of fiber optic cable. We have point of presence across the region. In early 2011, we obtained additional licenses in those landing countries to provide a broader suite of connectivity and infrastructure-based services. And as we entered the market and prospected new customers for those, there was confusion as to our identity with the cable in our name. And so we thought, in order to avoid confusion for the confusion in the market, we dropped the cable from our trading name and we trade simply as MainOne.
The number of Nigerians getting online has grown tremendously from year 2000 to date. According to ITU statistics, we have about 43 million Nigerians online, which is about 28% of the population. And Nigerians are doing more things online.
The Conga's main office is here. Our warehouse operations, our fulfillment center operations are all connected directly to MainOne.
We've already started the development of the second data center about 75 kilometers outside Lagos, which is a commercial center of Nigeria and indeed West Africa. And we're looking to add data center capacity across the region to serve our customers and provide superior and open interconnect facilities to them. Our first purpose-built data center, it's a Tier 3 data center with 600 rack capacity, and we've already started the development of the second data center.
The tier classification was designed by the Uptime Institute, and it is an objective way of measuring the functionality and reliability of data center infrastructure. Now, we are building to tier 3 classification, and what that means is that for every subsystem or every system that you actually have a backup of that system.
Looking at the investment that has been put on ground, I believe they've covered all the grounds in terms of data center, and I would believe that any customer would really be interested in putting their infrastructure here.
With the level of redundancy you have here today, I'm very, very impressed. This, like I said, this is comparable to any data center you probably want to visit anywhere around the world.
We continue to invest capital in building out infrastructure that's not available and innovating in bringing new technology to the market and helping the region overall get businesses online and serve customers via the internet. We believe our services will make doing business in West Africa a little easier and more cost-effective, and really help in the further economic transformation of the region.